Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change your name on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Now tap on Edit Profile. Tap the text box where your current name appears. Remove the old name and type in the new name you would like to use. When you are finished, tap OK from the top right corner. Finally, tap OK again from the top right corner. That's it. Your name has been changed. So in this way, you can change your name on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.